welcome back. My name is Gabby. I'm the English teacher here at Options for Youth Moreno Valley. This is English 12B, Unit 7. We're going over Performance Task 2 right now. That is Activity 20 in your workbook. So first things first, you're going to read page 222 to 223 to complete the definitions below, and then you're going to go over some debates and fill out some worksheets. So first things first, you're going to expand your knowledge of logical fallacies with false casualty and red herring. They're also in my miscellaneous video if you'd like to look at those. False casualty is, if I remember correctly, it's just kind of like hitting the wrong target. And then red herring is the one I know better. Holding up a fish and saying, look at the fish. Don't look at my argument, look at the fish, right? So if you and your parent are having a heated debate about politics, right, and you're saying, well, I think we should give apartments to homeless people, and your parents are like, you don't even pay taxes, right? And then they're like, you don't even do the dishes. What makes you think you can help homeless people? What does it have to do with anything, right? That's the red herring. That's them holding up the fish and being like, look at the red fish, instead of the argument. So for this one, it's a little bit lengthier. You're going to look at some debates, and lucky for you guys, I already did that part and I found the debates. I'm so sorry. The first one is pretty long. It's 17 minutes. You're going to watch that, and then you're going to answer these things. And then you're going to do the same thing for the second one. The second one, though, is only 4 minutes. I found a really short one for that one. And then the third one is 8 minutes, so it's really not that long for that one. The whole thing takes like 30 minutes, so it's not too bad. So first things first, you're going to put the debate number, so number 1, 2, or 3, and the date that it happened, not today's date. Candidate 1 and political party, so you can choose Trump as number 1 and put Republican Party, you can put Hillary as number 1 and put Democratic Party, whatever you want. And then you're going to give me an example of a proposition that they argued for or against. So let's say they argued for reduced taxes for the wealthy, right? So fact, Trump argued for reducing taxes on the wealthy in order to create more jobs. Value, if we did this, it would create more jobs for the middle class. Problem, then we have less income and we have to tax the middle class higher. Policy, he wants to do 10% of cuts to the taxes on the wealthy, something like that. And then positive and negative persuasive techniques used, right? So quote the candidate when possible. So when did he use a positive technique, and then when did he use a negative technique? So I know in there, I don't remember if it's Trump or Hillary, one of them says like, can I just finish my thought, right? They're using a red herring there by holding up the red fish and being like, you're interrupting me. Does it matter? Just continue your thought, right? And write that down. Same thing for the other side, and then evaluation. Based on this debate only, which candidate would you feel pressured to vote or persuaded to vote for, and why? So you're going to do that for the first one, and then you're going to watch the second one. After the second one, you're going to fill out this and that, and then do the same thing for the third one. So you're going to do that for 1, 2, and 3. After doing that, we're going to score you here. So accurately analyzed 4 types of propositions, so 4 different propositions, including fact, value, problem, and policy, including examples. The fact that you looked at negative and positive persuasive techniques and you had quotes, that'll get you those 4. And then the candidate's ability to persuade. Did you just put I would agree and not tell me why? You're not going to get the 4 points then, right? And you have to get at least 7 points in order to pass this. But that's pretty much all for that. It's not too hard. What I'm going to be looking at the most, I'll be honest, is going to be the positive and negative persuasive techniques in both. If you mess up here a little bit, that's fine. Try your hardest and let me know if you need help.